We're out here at the Lakewood Estates community proactively trimming trees. This area was hit during Hurricane Irma, and we're making sure we're removing vegetation and any dead trees so we can prevent any future outages for the community. So we had a limb impacting one of our poles, and they were using a 55-foot bucket truck that's standard here for our use. Contractors with Duke Energy removing a limb that was impacting that pole. We obviously project doing proactive work will reduce the time that we need for a restore and hopefully prevent outages from happening. We're working on a maintenance line right now where we work from the substation out. In this particular line, trimming on a circuit that was identified with outages in the past 4 years. They also do climbing in the easements. One of the biggest impacts we see are areas behind homes in the easement, and we focus on those to make sure that there's better access and faster restoration during storm work. The goal is to reduce impacts to the customers and make sure that we can provide safe, reliable electricity to our community.